back to my channel. So today I'm going to show what all I have purchased recently from Nykaa. So Nykaa was giving a lot of discounts on almost all the brands. Recently they were having their pink sale. After that the lipstick day sale was going on, and then friendship day sale. So yeah, the last week has been full of sale on Nykaa. So I purchased some products from Nykaa. I won't say it is a big haul, it is a kind of a mini haul. There are nothing from skincare range or skincare range. So all the products that you will be seeing here mainly are lipstick, because there were some really good discounts on lipsticks, and there are 1-2 skincare products as well. So let's get started. So I received total 3 parcels from Nykaa. So the first product that I purchased this time is this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Clay Shampoo. I have already finished 2 bottles of this earlier, and this is my current favorite shampoo. It is really working good for me, so I purchased this and I got some good offers on this. This is for 540 rupees, but I think I paid 405 rupees in the sale. This is a face wash. Okay, so this is a face wash from the brand The Beauty Co, and this is a repurchase again. I have already used this earlier, and this is a beautiful face wash. Sometime later I'll be doing a full detailed review about this product, but yes, this is a very loved product by me, and इसमें भी बहुत अच्छा सेल चल रहा था. I got it for 50% off, and yeah, I just picked it up. Okay. Next up, I got some products from the Nykaa brand. So I picked up this mini perfumes by Nykaa and Masaba collection. So this was in combo, and I think I paid 600 rupees for this 3 mini perfumes. So I have the variant Born Babe, then this is Uptown Girl and Wild For You. So I wanted to try the Masaba perfumes, but the full bottle is I think it's about 2000 rupees. So yeah, these are the minis, and this is quite affordable, so I was getting a good discount and I picked it up. Okay, so again from Nykaa Cosmetics brand, their in-house brand, I picked up this Luxe Matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Avocado Toast. Now I already have a couple of lipsticks from this range, and I love wearing them. They have some beautiful nudes in this range. So this is another nude that I picked up. Is called as Avocado Toast. Let me swatch it. It is a very nice nude. I loved it, and I think there was some 25% off on this range, and this is a beautiful nude, and I picked it up. So next up from Maybelline, I didn't pick up anything this time, but only one lipstick. And this time you'll see I have picked up all nude shades. Last time I picked up all reds and dark colors, and this time it's all nude, because I'm currently loving nude actually. So yeah, this is one shade that I picked up from Maybelline, and it is called as a Touch of Nude from their Powder Mattes range, and I believe this is a very famous shade. And isme I got 50% off, which is a very good deal. Let me just swatch it for you guys. Let me just open it and swatch it. Oscar. Again, a beautiful nude. Yeah, it's a beautiful nude, peachy kind of mauve nude. I really like this. I think it's gonna look beautiful on me. So yes, this is the next lipstick I got from Maybelline. Okay, pause. So next up, whatever I'm going to show is going to be lipstick. Okay, so this is from Milani. I picked it up this time. This is lip crayon, Ludicrous matte lip crayon, and this is in the shade Truth or Dare. So Milani is another of my very favorite brand when it comes to lipstick, and yeah, I picked this time. This is orange shade. I've already worn this 2 times after receiving the packet. It's a beautiful bright orange reddish shade, and the quality is very good. I love lip crayons. They are matte, long lasting. So this is the next lipstick I got. On lipstick day, Nykaa was giving very good discounts on brands like Bobbi Brown, Smashbox, Too Faced, MAC. I already have lipstick from Smashbox and MAC. So this time I picked up lipstick from Bobbi Brown and Too Faced. I was eyeing on this product from a long time, and this time surprisingly there were buy one get one offer going on this brand. So I picked up the lipsticks from Bobbi Brown and Too Faced. So let's see the swatches. Okay, so this is my pleasure box because it contains the beautiful lipsticks. I am a lipstick lover, I love collecting. So these are the melted matte liquid lipsticks from Too Faced, and I think there were total 10 shades, and the shade that I picked up is number 1. This is Stay the Night, and number 2 is Sell Out, and I paid 1600 for both of this. So basically buy one get one, and it was a very good deal. And next up I collected 2 lipstick from the brand Bobbi Brown. These are Bobbi Brown Crush Liquid lipstick. First one is in the shade Juicy Date, and second one is Smoothie Move, and I paid 1900 for both of these. I'll just watch it for you guys. Really, so this is Too Faced Stay the Night, and these are very good quality lipsticks, non-drying liquid lipstick and stays forever. This is a nice mauvey pink kind of a shade. Then we have Sell Out from Too Faced. This is again a nude, my favorite kind of a nude, brown, beautiful. And then from Bobbi Brown, these are crushed lip colors. These are not matte, so if you're looking for a matte lipstick, this is not the one for you. This is like glossy, it's like a gloss cum lipstick. This is Juicy Date, a very famous, one of their best sellers. And the other one I have is called as Smoothie Move. This is slightly deeper, but again in the brown family as well. So these are all the lipsticks that I purchased this time from Nykaa sale. And this time I think Nykaa was giving amazing offers, because I never saw Bobbi Brown and Too Faced on buy one get one offers before. So yeah, it was really good sale this time. And I received this bag from Nykaa with the signature of Janhvi Kapoor, free, because I purchased products worth 5,000 rupees and more. And I'll be using this bag to keep my lipsticks. This is a nice bag to store your makeup items. So these are all the products that I purchased from Nykaa this time. I know it was not a big haul, but I really like all the products that I bought, and this was mainly a lipstick haul. So I hope you enjoyed watching my lipstick day sale haul from Nykaa. Let me know which lipstick did you like the most, and which is your favorite lipstick out of all that I've purchased. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye.